Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this beautiful equation, that is x minus x dot x equal x dot x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So now we have a nice quadratic heading inside. So let's find out. So here dot means multiplication. So x minus x times x is x square is equals to x square. So x minus x square. So take all the terms together. Minus x square equals 0. So x minus 2x square equals 0. So let's factorize. So if I'll take x as common, so 1 minus 2x equals 0. So first x equals 0 and then 1 minus 2x equals 0. So one factor is x equals 0 and second is 1 equal 2x. Now I'll divide both sides by 2. So x equal 1 by 2. So the two values of x is 0 and 1 by 2. So now let's verify this. When x minus x square equal x square, when x equals 0. So 0 minus 0 square is equals to 0 square. 0 minus 0 square is 0 and 0 square is also 0. So 0 equals 0. So yes, it's verified. When x equal 1 by 2, so it's become 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square is equals to 1 by 2 whole square. We have to verify. So it becomes 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal 1 by 4. So let's take the LCM of the left hand side. So it becomes 2 minus 1 and here is 1 by 4. So yes, it's 1 by 4 equal 1 by 4. So both the roots x equals 0 and x is equals to 1 by 2 is the verified solution of this equation. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.